Here I've got XOLO Era for X, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and as you can see we are currently logged in with Google account over here. Just tap on it to come along with the information, and if you would like to delete it, just tap on remove account. And then confirm that you would like to remove this account with all its messages, contacts and other data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. So then if you would like to add a new account or another one, just open the settings again. Now locate and open accounts. Go to add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then click on Google. Enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com, and then tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, just tap on next. And here you have to come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the conditions, tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, it has been activated. Tap on accept to finish the whole process, and you've got Google account included to your XOLO. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.